How to delete Brawl Stars account. For this, first and foremost, go ahead and launch your Brawl Star application in your mobile device. And make sure that you are logged into your Brawl Star and it is connected with your Supercell ID. Once you are in your gameplay, you have to go ahead and select at the top of the three horizontal line. From there, you have to select the option of Settings, then head to Help and Support. Once you do this, you have to tap on the chat icon at the very top of the screen and tap on Leave a message under Contact Us. In here, you can chat with a bot and it will suggest some of the pre-text that you can select from. Select the option of Request or Delete My Data. Tap on Delete My Data. After this, you can give it a read, then just tap on I agree to delete my data. Just tap on Delete Account and your account deletion process will begin. However, you will get the chance to cancel the request within the period of 30 days. And if you change your mind, make sure to cancel before it hits 30 days. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.